remember as a 10-year-old boy living in Ireland how this song struck a chord with me, and I wasn't the only one. It was a song written on one of these. By Roger Hodgkins, a man struggling with the strictures imposed upon him by the school system. This band at one point had been living on dog biscuits. They moved to America, and to celebrate moving to America, they did that wonderful album sleeve for Breakfast in America of Kate Murtaugh posing as the Statue of Liberty, carrying a breakfast tray above a New York skyline made out of kitchenware. Aided in no small part by the success of this song, the band went on to huge success in America and all over the world. Coming up, the Logical Song. Now I've changed the key from the original C minor to B minor, as it would just be too awkward to play this version in C minor. So if you want to play it in the original key, pop a capo on fret 1. So you're going to want to emulate the dynamics of the keyboard playing this song. So you've got this. And to do that, you're going to need to do quite a lot of pinching. So the first thing you do is make this B minor here. And you pluck the bass, so that's the 5th string on the 2nd fret. You've got this little B minor triad down on the treble strings. And with these 3 fingers, you do this. You add in the bass. Now that's the intro out of the way. So the verse goes like this: B minor, and then the last pluck, you just open that 5th string. So it goes like this. Now you take that bar off, just move your first finger down to the treble E string, hook your thumb over onto the G, the 3rd fret on the bass E string, and you got the next chord. It's a G major 7. Next chord is an F sharp minor 7, but it's, again, hook your thumb on the 2nd fret on the bass E string and cover the G and B strings on the 2nd fret. Next thing, same triad down on the treble strings, but use an open A string as a bass. So those first 4 chords are like this. You got 2 more chords for the turnaround. So that's a G major 7 again. And then a G sharp half diminished, which is just same triad on the treble strings, but instead of the 3rd fret on the E string, you go up to the 4th fret. If you can, it's quite a stretch. And then you go around again. So I'll just play that for you. And that's the verse. Now the chorus is a totally different feel. It's much smoother. It starts with a D. Now as a rough guide to the rhythm, it's sort of up to you what to do with the rhythm. But what I'm doing here is pluck downwards like that. It's not quite a strum. You're plucking each string individually. So that's bass string, then 3, 2, 1. Then slowly bass 1, 2, 3. So that goes. Next chord is a B minor 6 over D. Just 2 fingers here. Same rhythm pattern. G major 7 over D. So just one finger. Then you got your chorus turnaround, which is a C, followed by a C over B, followed by an A minor 7. And for those three chords, you pluck 5, 4, 3, like this. Then it's a little bass run. Bass E string, 3rd fret. A string open, then 2nd fret. So that stretch goes. And that's how you play the beautiful Logical Song by Supertramp. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you enjoy giving it a go. If you have any problems understanding any part of it, just don't forget you can go back along the video, try again. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like below. Please don't forget to comment. I'm loving the ideas you're giving me. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to watch a similar video, just check it out up here, or my latest video right up here. Thanks a million for watching. I'm Niall. Learn a tune a week and build up those chops.